the Austin Country Club had decided to do a major renovation of their facilities. The chef asked if there were tools or systems that could monitor all the new equipment that he was putting in. The owner of the firm was familiar with us here in Austin and reached out to us to see if we had something that could solve the problem. He connected us with the chef, and that's how we were able to deploy the system that we have here at the Austin Country Club.
While as the executive chef, I've got a team of over 30 people, and we have over 1,300 families that are members here at the club, and they use the club for dining. There's nothing worse than coming in after your day off and find that the temperatures have been wrong for a couple of days and everything in that refrigerator has to be thrown out. Before the system was installed, we relied on our maintenance crew to check temperatures when we weren't here, and then my crew to check it when they were here. This enabled us to check all refrigeration in real time.
There are 30 different sensors located in 4 different areas throughout the club. There's the main kitchen, the banquet facility, the Harvey Pinnock room, and also the pool cabana. And over the last 2 years since we've been deployed here, we've learned so much about what we do really well and what we can improve on. And that's really led to so many of the enhancements in our Series 3 sensors that we've been testing here at the club over the last 3 months. We're seeing much better range and able to put the sensors in very difficult places in terms of being able to communicate. A simple deployment of being able to get them online immediately. And I think most important for the chef is a battery life that's somewhere between 6 and 8 years, which means he basically never has to replace them.
In our 30+ refrigerators, we have these wireless sensors that monitor the temperature of the refrigerator, and then it broadcasts to my phone, which enables me to see what the temperature is in real time, and also will give me a text alert if it's out of temperature over 30 minutes. In my 40 years in the restaurant industry, I would have never thought that we could have this system in place, that we wouldn't have to monitor the temperature of the product all the time. This system has been great for my peace of mind because I know that the temperatures are safe the entire time that I'm responsible for the food that we're serving to the members here at the club.